Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Optimal Home Solutions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Optimal Home Solutions, start by visiting their official website. Look for the register or sign up button on the home page. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Provide your first and last name in the designated fields. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. If required, select your preferred communication method from the options available. Review the terms and conditions carefully and check the box to agree. Proceed by clicking the Submit or Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Open the email and look for the verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, return to the Optimal Home Solutions website. Log in using the email address and password you just created. You are now successfully registered and can start using your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.